Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried egg whites. Start by gathering your essentials: fresh eggs, a good non-stick pan, and a touch of cooking oil or butter. The key to a perfect fried egg white is a clean separation. Gently crack each egg and let the white drip into a bowl, keeping the yolk in the shell or transferring it between halves. Make sure absolutely no yellow yolk mixes with your clear whites. Even a tiny bit can affect the texture and cooking. Now, let's get cooking. Place your non-stick pan on the stove and set the heat to medium-low. This gentle heat prevents burning and ensures even cooking. Add about 1 teaspoon of your preferred cooking oil or butter, swirling it to coat the entire bottom surface. Once the oil shimmers slightly, it's time to carefully pour your separated egg whites into the pan. As your egg whites begin to cook, sprinkle them with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper for flavor. Let them cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll notice the edges firming up and turning a light golden brown. The center should transform from translucent to a completely opaque white, indicating it's fully set and ready to enjoy. Once perfectly cooked, gently slide your fried egg white from the pan directly onto a plate. It's best enjoyed immediately while still warm. These versatile egg whites make a fantastic, low-calorie breakfast or a quick, healthy snack. Consider pairing them with a slice of whole wheat toast, some fresh avocado, or a side of steamed vegetables for a well-rounded and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.